Good morning, student. Today class AC circuit containing only an inductor. Consider a circuit containing a pure inductor of inductance L connected across the alternate voltage source. The alternate voltage is given by this circuit, the flowing of a current, the produce of a induced EMF E, the voltage V is equal Vm sin omega t. That is equations number 1. The alternating current flowing through the inductor induced a self-induced EMF or back EMF. The another name is a back EMF. The back EMF is a circuit. This is given by denote the letter epsilon is equal minus L into di by dt. Self-inductance denote the letter is equal to L. By applying the Kirchhoff loop rule, the purely inductive circuit. The pure inductive circuit voltage, the flowing the current voltage the produce induced EMF, the total circuit V plus E that is equal to 0. V is equal, that is equal minus of E. What is the V? The values of V is equal to maximum voltage sin omega t, that is equal minus into values of E minus L into di by dt. The maximum voltage Vm sin omega t equals minus into minus plus L into di by dt. They want the values equal to di, current values. Di is equal to the cross multiplication of L come to the back side. Vm divided by L sin omega into dt, that is equal to di. Rearrange the di values. The di is equal to Vm by L sin omega t into dt. They are taking both sides. The integrations of taking both sides. Integration of di is equal integration of maximum voltage Vm divided by L inductive into sin omega into dt. The integration of di value is equal to I. Vm by L, constants of these values, Vm by L, integration of sin omega t into dt. Here I is equal to Vm by L sin of omega t, integration value is minus cos omega t, the integrator of omega divided by omega. Here the time independent part of this is 0. This value is equal to 0 plus constants. I is equal Vm maximum voltage divided by L omega minus of cos omega t plus constants. The time independent part in the current is 0. Here now I is equal Vm by L omega minus of cos t. What is the cos theta values? The minus of cos theta is equal sin of 90 minus theta. The values of theta is equal to omega into t. Here cos omega t is equal sin 90 value is equal pi by 2 minus of omega t. Minus of sin into 90 minus omega t. The values arrange 90 minus theta minus 90. The sine of omega t minus of pi by 2. Here now apply. This I is equal, current I is equal to maximum voltage divided by the consider of reactant value is equal to inductor L into omega sine of omega t minus pi by 2. Here this is applied to the Ohm's law. Whatever you tell in the Ohm's law current, the Ohm's law current I is equal to V by R. This part is a substitution of a Im. I is equal to maximum current sine of omega t minus pi by 2. Here the integration of constants equation is independent of time. The voltage and current has only time independent part. We can't set off time independent part of current integration of 0. Now, where V a maximum voltage divided by L omega that is equal to maximum current, the peak of values alternating in the circuit. From the equations, first equation, what is the first equation? Voltage. What is the second equation's current? Here, event of current lags behind the applied voltage pi by 2. The lags behind applied voltage pi by 2. In the inductive of circuit. This fact is a debate of the spacer diagram. Here this is our spacer diagram, this is a wave diagram. Okay, spacer diagram OA is equal to the consider of the voltage, maximum voltage. OB is equal to considered of a current, maximum current. Now, the peak of voltage, Vm sin omega t. Here, the lakhs of the current, here pi by 2. The pi by 2 Im is equal, Im into sine of omega t minus of pi by 2. Where this is from the equations for evidence of the current lags behind the applied to voltage pi by 2 and inductive circuit. This fact is depicted of the spacer diagram, the wave diagram also. The current lags of voltage 90 degree. The current I is equal to maximum current sine of omega t minus pi by 2. What is inductive reactance XL? Unite the letters equal to inductive reactance XL. The peak values of current Im is given by Im is equal to maximum current is equal maximum voltage divided by omega L. Let us compare these equations with Im maximum current is equal to maximum voltage divided by resistance. What is the omega into L? The from resistive circuit. The quantity omega L play the same role as the resistance in resistive circuit. This resistance offered by inductor is called a inductive reactance. The inductive reactance XL is equal to omega L. Is a measure the unit O. Inductive reactance XL is equal to 2 pi FL. What is the 2 pi FL? The full circuit of frequency 2 pi. F means frequency of the alternating current. For a current is a very steady current. Here the steady current F is equal to 0. The inductive reactance XL is equal to 2 pi into 0 into L. 0 something 0 0. XL is equal to 0. This ideal inductors offer the no resistance of steady DC current. DC current means directed current. Next topic, AC circuit containing only a capacitor. Consider a circuit containing a capacitor of capacitance C. You connected across the alternating voltage source V. What is a C? The capacitor C is equal Q by E. Q means charge of the capacitor. E means induced of EMF in the capacitor. The alternating voltage is given by V is equal to Vn sin omega t. What is a Vm? Maximum of voltage flowing this circuit. Let Q be the instantaneous charges on the capacitor. The EMF across the capacitor at the instant is E is equal Q by C. Equation number 2. The Kirchhoff loop rule. What is the telling Kirchhoff loop rule? This rules algebraic sum of the potential differences is closed circuit is equal to 0. For here, V plus minus of E is equal to 0. Minus indicator the potential differences opposed produce the EMF of voltage for resistor places. V is equal to E. V, the values of E substitution Q by C. The values of V, maximum voltage sin omega t is equal to Q by C. They want the Q is equal CVM sin omega t. Rearrange this equation Q is equal CVM sin omega t. By the definition of the current I is equal dq by dt. Current dq by dt is equal I into di by dt. The values of Q, maximum voltage Vm C into sin omega t. I is equal, come to the constants values outside. CVm d by dt sin of omega t. VCm, differentiate the cos sin omega is equal to cos omega t. Here omega t differential omega only. I is equal Vm C omega, come the denominator 1 by omega c into cos omega t. I is equal V maximum voltage divided by 1 by Cm. Here cos of omega t cos theta is equal sine of 90 plus theta. Here theta value is equal to omega t. Now let like that sine of pi by 2 plus omega t. I is equal, here this values are considered 1 by omega c, the produce of EMF resistor places inside of the capacitor. Now mention to the R. Maximum voltage divided by R sine omega t plus pi by 2. This is a Ohm's law. The Ohm's law, V by I is equal to current I. I is equal maximum current sine omega t plus pi by 2. Equation number 2. Maximum voltage divided by 1 by C omega into Im. The peak value of the AC alternating current. The equation 1 and 2. What is the first equation? First equation's voltage flowing this AC circuit. V is equal to Vm sin omega t. Second equations I is equal to Im sin omega t plus 90. It is clear that current leads the applied voltage pi by 2 in a capacitive circuit. This is show the pictorial is a phasor and wave diagram. The wave diagram for the capacitive circuit also shows that current leads the applied voltage by 90 degree. Here phasor diagram and wave diagram. The phasor diagram as it divided to vertical and horizontal line. The OA is equal to mentioned to the maximum voltage. OB mentioned to the maximum current. You store the voltage of 0 to 90 maximum voltage and pi by 2 pi. Here the maximum voltage of pi by 2. Here current produced of induced EMF the starting to the 90. The capacitive reactant XC. The peak value of current Im is given by Im is equal Vm by 1 by Cm. Let us compare these equations with Im, maximum current, maximum voltage divided by resistance from resistivity circuit. The quality 1 by Cm play the same role as the resistance or in the resistive circuit. This is a resistance offered by the capacitor called capacitive reactance Xc. Measure the unit O. X is equal 1 by omega c, equation number 3. This is a capacitive reactance. Xc is varies inversely as the frequency for steady current. The frequency F is equal to 0. Frequency F is equal to 0. Now, X is equal to 1 by omega. What is the omega? Omega is equal to 2 pi F. Now, values of substitution 1 divided by values of omega 2 pi F into C. F is equal to steady current is 0. 1 by 0 into C. 0 something 0, 0. 1 by 0 is equal to infinity. Xc, reactance of capacitance X is equal to infinity. This capacitive circuit offers infinity resistance to the steady current so that the steady currents cannot flow through in the capacitor.